Embarking on the entrepreneurial journey has never been more enticing than in today's digital age, where the internet opens up a world of opportunities right at your fingertips. Whether you're seeking to diversify your income streams in anticipation of economic shifts, recovering from financial setbacks, or simply ready to take the leap into business ownership, the time is now. From the art of flipping goods for profit to creating digital courses that share your expertise far and wide, the potential to build a thriving business is limitless. Let's dive into the top 10 scalable business ideas that you can start immediately, leveraging the power of the internet to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. But first, be sure to hit subscribe so you never miss out on this life-changing content. Number 1. Flipping goods. Flipping is a lucrative business model that involves purchasing items at a low price and selling them at a higher price for a profit. This can be done through various online platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Craigslist, where you can find deals on products to resell. To succeed, it's vital to specialize in a niche you're passionate about and become knowledgeable about the market prices within that niche. By mastering the art of flipping, you can turn a substantial profit with minimal investment, learning valuable skills in e-commerce along the way. Number 2. Digital design courses. Sharing your expertise through digital design courses is a scalable way to generate income. By transforming your knowledge into an online course, you can reach a wider audience than traditional one-to-one teaching methods allow. This model offers the potential for exponential sales growth without corresponding increases in operating costs. Additionally, compiling your best blog content into an ebook can provide another revenue stream, especially if you already have a dedicated audience. Number 3. Low-cost accessories. The demand for smartphone and tech product accessories presents a significant business opportunity. By sourcing these accessories in bulk or partnering with suppliers for better deals, you can cater to this ever-growing market. Creative entrepreneurs can enhance their product offerings by adding custom designs, thereby distinguishing their brand from competitors. Although this business may not make you rich overnight, it offers practical experience in running a business and can generate a steady income. Number 4. Design and post-production agency. In today's content-driven online world, the need for high-quality design and post-production work is more important than ever. Starting an agency in this field can be lucrative for those with a knack for creativity and a keen eye for design. Despite the competitive market, your unique creative vision and superior client service can set you apart. As your business grows, hiring additional talent to take on more projects can lead to significant expansion and success. Number 5. Dropshipping niche and viral products. Dropshipping is a unique e-commerce model that lets you sell products directly to consumers without holding any inventory. The key to success lies in identifying niche or viral products that captivate interest and drive sales. Instead of attempting to sell a wide array of items, focusing on specific in-demand products can lead to higher profit margins and brand recognition. Excelling in dropshipping requires a strategic approach to product selection and marketing to stand out in a competitive market. Number 6. Community-oriented businesses. Building a business around a community, such as through blogs, podcasts, or YouTube channels, can be incredibly rewarding. The strength of these ventures lies in the loyal audience you cultivate, which can be monetized through various channels like affiliate marketing and sponsored content. However, achieving profitability depends on reaching a substantial number of followers or views, making it crucial to produce engaging, high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Persistence and passion are key, as building a significant community foundation can take time. Number 7. Concierge service. Offering a concierge service taps into the desire for personalized, hassle-free experiences, particularly in the travel and events planning sector. This business idea appeals to those who can meticulously organize and tailor experiences to client preferences, ensuring memorable trips or events. The demand for such services is driven by consumers' willingness to pay for convenience and exclusivity. By identifying unique offerings and providing exceptional service, a concierge business can thrive, offering both profitability and the satisfaction of creating unforgettable experiences. Number 8, web optimization and data analysis. In the digital age, having a website that ranks well in search engine results is crucial for business success. Specialists in web optimization and data analysis can offer invaluable services to businesses looking to enhance their online visibility and performance. This role involves using analytical tools and SEO strategies to increase website traffic and, subsequently, revenue. With a bit of training and internet savvy, offering web optimization services can be a lucrative and in-demand business venture. Number 9, New Age marketing. Mastering New Age marketing involves understanding and leveraging the viral nature of internet culture. Successful campaigns often incorporate relatable memes, trending topics, and engaging content that captures the imagination of the online community. This marketing approach requires a deep understanding of internet nuances and creativity to craft messages that resonate and spread. By specializing in this unique form of marketing, you can offer businesses the key to unlocking vast online audiences and driving brand engagement. Number 10, automation and bots. Automation technology represents the cutting edge of efficiency, allowing businesses to streamline operations and reduce manual labor. Developing and implementing automation solutions and bots can significantly improve business processes, from customer service to inventory management. This niche is ripe for innovation, offering tech-savvy entrepreneurs the opportunity to lead transformations in various industries. Embracing automation not only positions your business as a forward-thinking leader, but also opens up a wealth of possibilities for growth and efficiency improvements. In summary, the path to starting your own business today is varied and full of potential. From flipping goods online to launching a digital design course or venturing into web optimization, the digital landscape offers a plethora of opportunities for those willing to take the leap. With the right approach and determination, anyone can turn their entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.